training is not one thing, or the education is not just going to the class and attend 2 hours workshop and that's it and we become great leaders. You probably know already that doesn't work, and that's why a lot of organizations that I work with, they already understand they really need to implement some guidance and some plan after trainings, or they need to implement a few different trainings during the year and really follow up with people and guide people through the implementation stage. Because staying in a class, it's great, but implementing can be absolutely different game. And that is actually the hardest part for people. That means give them some kind of guidance and opportunity to work with coach or work with someone outside of the organization where they can actually talk about their obstacles, their challenges. They can really unlock their limits or work on their gaps and strengths and really support, as a leaders, really support other members in the team. Give your employees or leaders and managers opportunity to grow, to learn new things and actually really implement them into their work environment, and try to really develop other leaders in your organization, because that will be something that will help you the most. And as we know, the results and business is not run just by systems, it's run by people. That means really the first thing I will recommend to every organization or company, take care of your people. Even if you have 5 employees or if you have 10 employees, start from the beginning. Start when you have your first or second employee. Really start to take care of them, train them, help them to grow and create really healthy culture from day one.